everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 13 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This feels like a little bit of a heavy one, maybe something metal. And if you watched day number 12 yesterday, it might be something for that item that we got yesterday. Let's see. I'm excited. And if it's not, then forget everything I said. Let's see. Oh, it's stuck in here. Goodness. I was wrong. Okay, that's okay. So we have a snappy pouch pattern. This is what it looks like. Okay, here are the fabric requirements on the back here. This is 6 1/4 by 8 1/2. Okay, interesting. I've never made a snappy pouch before. Here are some examples. Okay, and here are the little snaps. It looks like we have several, enough to make 3 bags worth, which is really awesome. Very generous of Missouri Star. Let me see here. Okay. Oh, they're magnetic. Okay, are they magnetic? No, maybe they're not. Okay, they're just stuck together. That's fine. Okay, so they're kind of like a rubbery substance here, and it's exactly like a snap bracelet that you would get when you were a little kid. There you go. So cute. Oh my gosh. So actually that's a really good project too. I wonder if you could make some kind of fabric slap bracelet as well, like a little cover, and then sew it all up, and then you could give it to kids as a gift, or even wear it yourself, I guess, as well. Oh, you know what else you could do? You could also make one of those pin cushions that I've seen people do. So maybe you can make the pin cushion, attach it to that little fabric sleeve, or maybe even create a little closure over here, and you could snap that onto your wrist as well so that you have a pin cushion on your wrist. There are so many uses for these now that I'm just thinking right off the top of my head. I'm sure more will come to me later, but it looks like we have 6 of these little snaps. That is awesome. Alrighty. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is a really exciting one. And like I said, there's so many possibilities that you could do. You don't even have to just do the pattern that came with it. I will see you tomorrow for day number 14. Bye everybody. Have a great day.